Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Today, we're talking about a potential wave of liquidation for Bitcoin that could shake out long holders in a very specific price range. Bitcoin Bulletin's markets team has been closely watching the Treasury market, and what we're seeing right now is a carry trade unwinding. That means hedge funds are trying to make a quick profit by exploiting tiny price discrepancies between Treasury futures and securities. The problem is, when that carry trade unwinds, it can have a huge impact on markets. The 30-year Treasury yield has risen sharply in recent days, and that's a sign of distress in the parts of the market where we shouldn't normally talk about funding, credit, and repo. When yields rise, it means investors are getting nervous and seeking refuge in government bonds. This is exactly what happened in 2020, when a similar unwinding of the carry trade led to a sharp decline in risk assets like Bitcoin. And now, we're seeing similar signs. Futures tied to the S&P 500 fell 2% amid increased volatility in the Treasury market. The MOVE Index, which measures the options-implied 30-day price turbulence in the Treasury market, has jumped to its highest level since October 2023. That's a sign that investors are getting increasingly nervous about risk assets like Bitcoin. According to data from Hiblock Capital, there's a high risk of liquidation for holders of bullish long positions in perpetual futures listed on major exchanges. If we hit the 73, $8K 74, 4K range, we can expect large long liquidations that will add to downside price volatility. Liquidation happens when exchanges close out positions due to margin shortages. And if we go down at least $200 more from here, taking retail stop losses right below 70K and hitting the liquidity levels, it could be a very bad day for Bitcoin holders who are trying to hold on to their long positions. On the higher side of things, there are some promising short liquidation zones identified by Hiblock Capital. But for now, let's keep our eyes on the potential wave of liquidation that could hit us in the 73, $8K 74, 4K range and how it might impact Bitcoin prices. Stay tuned to Bitcoin Bulletin for the latest market, updates, and analysis as this situation develops.